So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add PDF links to products in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up Duda website editor, and through there you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, you can see media, personalized, sell online, and some other stuff as well. So in order to get to products, you can do a couple of different things. So you can find them on your website right away. So you can go through layers, how each layer looks. So you can set it up like that. You can even find it on your website. So let's say I go through each one of these and I can go through content. So you can see here what you want to be displayed, product catalog, order, show button, on sale label, and stuff like that. Or it says looking to add or manage products, do it in the product catalog. So it gives you right away where you want to go, and you can click on that. So it's gonna open up your site dashboard. You can go to store operations and product catalog. Now you can do it through there. You can also go through sell online, so you can set it up through here. So these are some of the examples they give you, like yoga foam roller, and you can see the price. You can see here the play button. So let's click on this, and you can design it in editor. You can do it through there as well. And once you open it in here, you can edit the design, you can manage the accordion. So if you click on edit design, you can see the alignment, the size, the spacing. You can see here the expanded style, you can see the body text, so you can choose how it will look and what you should write in there. And after that, you can add the PDF file right through the link here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.